Greetings all and welcome to AlgoFox Academy. In lesson 3 on our Excel automation series, we are going to talk about some advanced automation on options, basically on how combined premium based entry exits can be done. So let us go to the Excel sheet. So this is our Excel sheet. As discussed in the previous lesson, whenever we write any symbol name here, in real time the prices will come here. For example, NFO, Nifty, 23 November, future. So the moment I write it, you can see that the price of Nifty is available right now. As I can see that the price of Nifty right now is at 19,215. Now, if I want to trade in options based upon certain conditions, I can fully automate that. To do that, let me just type in a symbol. The symbol would be something like this. NFO, Nifty, 23N09, that is 23 stands for 2023, N stands for November, 09 stands for the expiry day, and let us say the price right now is 19,216, so I'll write 19,200 CE. The moment I write this, instantly the price is available. Similarly, I can have price for put as well. So instead of C, I'll just replace it with P. And there you go. Now we will get the price for CE and PE. Now, if I want to take combined premium based straddles and strangles and place stop losses based upon that, it is absolutely possible. For example, to get the combined premium of the straddle and strangle, I can just write equal to LTP plus this and bracket close. And there you go. Now you can see I have combined premium here. The combined premium will also fluctuate in real time. If I take entries based upon this price, I can keep a stop loss also based upon the combined premium. To do that, let us first take trade. For example, I want to do short straddle on 19,200 call and 19,200 put. To do that, I'll make sure the direction is sell on both call as well as put. And I'll just see the timing as well. For example, the timing here does not matter. I have not added any time as such, but however, I have added stop loss and target. I'll just disable them so that they don't disturb our flow. And now in the quantity, I can start with maybe one lot, 50 and 50, and that's it. Now, if I will take trade in call and put, then this is the combined premium. And when the combined premium goes above a certain point, if I want to take trade based upon that, it is highly possible. For example, the combined premium right now is 212. And let us say I want to take trade only when the combined premium goes above 215. Right? So 215 is my reference and current premium is 212. I can say that whenever this price combined premium goes above 215, I want to take a trade. Write a simple logic equal to when this price will become greater than this price, I would like to take a trade. Right now, the condition is false. And we know that in the entry signal, whenever we write true, the order gets fired. So what I will do is I'll just quickly map this cell here, and I'll also quickly map this cell here. That's it. Now, whenever the combined premium, which is at 211.5, it will go above 215. This false will become true, which will also trigger the end cell, and in the end cell, whatever is written as false and false will also become true and true, and the trade will be executed live. To stimulate the trade, let me revise the price to maybe 212. Now the price is 212. The moment the combined premium goes above 212, the trade will be stimulated. Right now it is not going above 212. So to stimulate the trade, maybe I can just show you by typing 211. The moment it becomes 211, you see both the condition have become true and true, and the orders are submitted. And if we go to the fires terminal, you will see orders have executed here in real time as well, right? To showcase the trades simultaneously, what I will also do is I'll also show you AlgoFox where the trades have come. In the net position, you can see the trades here. Now if I want, I can even add stop loss as per combined premium. To do that, let us go back to Excel sheet again and let me show you combined premium based stop loss. For example, let us say the price is right now 211 and my stop loss is maybe 240. 240. So I want that if the combined premium goes to 240, then my stop loss is triggered and I want to exit my short positions. To do that, again, it's very simple. I can say that equal to current combined premium is greater than 240. Currently, again, it is false, but the moment combined premium goes above 240, it will become true and the exit signal can be generated by, again, cell referencing model. In the exit signal here, I'll write equal to and associated with A70. Similarly, here also equal to and associated with A70. Now, by default, it is false. To stimulate the trade again, I'll lower down the value. But before I lower down the value, I also want to keep my fires terminal here actively open. So alright, as you can notice, right now the combined premium is 211, and if I scroll a little bit ahead, the exit signal right now is false. Let us make it true by changing this number to 211 just to stimulate the trade. The moment we make it false, it is true, and you'll see the orders are executed in real time. And you will see both call and put are executed. So this way, you can place combined premium based entries and exits. And if I show you the net position, everything is gone from here as well. So it's very simple to place combined premium based entries and exits. Also, we can place targets and stop loss based upon combined premium as well. Now, taking one more example, instead of 2 legs, if I want to trade in, let us say 4 legs, that is also possible. How? Let us understand that. I'll just delete all the mathematical models that we have set. I'll remove the entry signals, exit signals and everything. Now let us say, apart from these 2 strikes, let us say if I want to take few more strikes, maybe 19,500, maybe we'll make it call and we'll make this as put. So the moment I change, the values will change. The moment I change, the values will change in real time. So now you see the premium of 19,500 call is just 11 rupees. The premium of 19,000 put is, let us say, 49 rupees. Let us say we want to make sure that these two legs are traded first for hedge benefit. So I would want to buy these 2 legs first, and then once the legs are executed, then I would want to take the sell legs. So to do that, all we have to do is just cut these 2 legs and paste it beyond these 2 legs. So now in our sequence, I'll just remove all the unwanted numbers. Perfect. And remove this as well. Now in the sequence, the buy legs will be triggered first, the sell legs will be triggered later. So, and I can fire all the 4 legs simultaneously. For example, in entry signal, if we write 1 or true, the order will get executed. So let me just show you by how we can fire multiple legs together. For example, right now there is a cell called A67. We'll write it as false here and simply we'll just reference this cell here. We'll do it for all the 4 cells. That's it. Now, either I can replace false with true or either I can replace it with 1. The moment I replace it with 1, all the 4 rows will become 1 and the buy legs will fire first and the sell legs will fire later. To showcase you in the real time, let me also have fires terminal side by side here. You can see there is 0 position available here right now, and so I'll keep it at one side and I'll keep Excel here and just replace false with 1. There you go. All the 4 legs will be fired one by one here and all the 4 legs will be executed simultaneously. So this way, 4 leg, 5 leg, 6 leg, all the different types of strategies will be executed together. So now you will see that the buy legs were executed first and the sell legs were executed later. Similarly, if I want to close all the 4 legs based upon certain logic, it is highly possible. Alright, let us assume that we want to understand how much money we gave and how much money we have received, or how much premium we have given and how much premium we have received. So let us say I add this plus this. This is the combined premium of the buy legs, the hedge legs, and let us say I will add the combined premium of short legs. This is the short legs. So the combined premium given is 59. The combined premium received is 212. Now if I want to see how much is the spread that I am enjoying as an option seller, I can simply take this minus. So 151 is my combined premium that I am receiving on all the 4 legs combined. And now if I want to stimulate a trade where, so if the combined premium that I am receiving goes beyond a certain point, I want to square off my position, I can do that as well. For example, 152 is what we are receiving right now. But let us say if I am receiving less than 140, I want to exit, then I can even automate that logic as well. To do that, all we will have to simply do is equal to 152 is less than 140. Right now it is false, but the moment I will receive less than 140, it will become true, and I can again do cell referencing of this particular cell and execute the signals simultaneously. So right now, and this is all the cumulative 4 legs combined. Again, to stimulate the trade, I can make this number to maybe 152 just to stimulate the trade. And the moment it happens, it becomes true, all the signals become true, and on fires, one by one, all the legs will exit simultaneously. You will see all the legs are exiting simultaneously one by one, and we have exited all the 4 legs in a fully automated way. So this way, Excel can help you take entries on 2 legs, 4 legs, or multiple legs based upon certain parameters, and it can also help you exit based upon certain parameters. Now, if someone wants to have individual leg-wise entries and exits, that is also possible. When we are taking trades in multiple legs together, we can even keep leg-wise target and leg-wise stop loss. For example, in this leg, let us say in the buying leg, I want to keep stop loss as 25%. In the short leg, I want to keep target as 50%. The target as 50% in the buy legs. So these are leg-wise targets. Similarly, when I am doing short, my stop loss can be 20% and my target can also be 20%. The moment we write true in all the 4 cells or 1 in all the 4 cells, you will see the orders are getting executed. We are noting down their entry prices and we're also noting down their stop losses. I did not put the stop loss for this, so I'll just put it now. Does not matter, even if I put it a little late, we have still taken the entry and we still have the stop loss levels and target levels also. Now, either when the stop loss levels or when the stop loss levels are triggered, exit signal will be automatically fired. So yes, individual leg-wise entries, leg-wise exits, cumulative combined premium-wise entries and premium-wise exit is also possible using this Excel sheet. So this way, multiple legs, 2 leg, 4 leg, 8 leg strategies can be managed. Individual leg-wise target stop loss can be managed. Combined premium-based entry exits can be managed. Debit spread versus credit spread, and based upon the difference, also the trades can be executed. So in a nutshell, in this Excel, the possibilities are endless. If you know how to use Excel, you can make most of this platform and completely automate your trades without having to manually monitor anything. Thank you so much. In upcoming lesson, we are going to talk about many more advanced features stored in this Excel and how they can help you become a better trader. See you in the next episode.